Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing the Laughland at-home whitening kit and giving you my honest review. This video is not sponsored and I paid for the kit with my own money. This kit includes an LED mouthpiece with power cord, whitening gel and applicators, as well as instructions. Instructions are: brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes, preferably with a whitening toothpaste. Dry your teeth of excess saliva. Apply a quarter of the gel on both the top and the bottom of the mouthpiece, so half an applicator's worth of gel total. Plug the LED mouthpiece into an electronic device. Place the mouthpiece in your mouth for at least 5 minutes, but up to 30 minutes before removing. Rinse your mouth and the mouthpiece under warm water before storing safely for the next treatment. They recommend to complete 1 treatment a day for 6 days. So I've already brushed my teeth with my normal Tom's of Maine Whole Care toothpaste. I've flossed as well, so I'm ready to do my first whitening session. I do need to dry my teeth, so I'll use a piece of paper towel to do that. And I'm gonna be plugging the LED device into my phone and setting a timer for 30 minutes. And the LED device does come with 3 different chargers, so it's gonna work with all different types of phones. I just went to the dentist yesterday for a cleaning, so this is the perfect time to do this whitening treatment. And here are my before photos. These are photos of my teeth today before I've done the first session. And I'm gonna show these photos again at the end after the 6 days of treatments so we can compare how white my teeth have gotten from this at-home whitening kit. All right, let's do this. Okay, I just finished my first whitening session and I do have some notes. First of all, the amount of drool and saliva that will pool in your mouth is a lot. I'm sure you just saw that I was holding a piece of paper towel under my lip, basically the full 30 minutes, because pretty much immediately I started to drool. And I was really worried about swallowing the whitening gel, and I didn't want to do that, so I just kind of held it in my mouth and tried to use the paper towel to soak up anything that fell out of my mouth. My gums totally felt fine. There was no sensitivity. Many years ago when I got my braces off, I went to a dentist's office and did professional Zoom whitening. And when I did that treatment, it hurt my gums a lot, for the rest of the day. So I do consider my gums to be on the more sensitive side, but with this treatment, I didn't notice any pain or discomfort from the gel. I only felt a slight tingling of my teeth, almost like a minty sensation. It was so mild, I would not consider it to be an uncomfortable feeling. I did take the device out of my mouth at minute 13 so that I could spit out all the excess saliva, and I did that again at minute 25. It just became too much and I needed to spit, but I tried not to run my tongue along my teeth or anything like that. I really did just try to drop the pooled saliva that was in my mouth into the sink. So it's possible that at minute 13, a lot of the gel itself was spit out, but I did try to put the LED light right back in my mouth as soon as possible. I just could not go the full 30 minutes without spitting. And the actual LED light itself used up about 10% of my phone battery, so just make sure your phone is charged before you start these treatments. I was also watching a YouTube video to pass the time because what else are you gonna do? So that also probably contributed to it taking up that much of my battery power. Okay, so now I'll give you a close-up of what my teeth are looking like after the first session. I'm not noticing like a major difference. There's definitely a couple spots on my teeth that are significantly brighter. Like that's what I noticed first. But overall, I don't notice like a dramatic difference. But then again, I don't think my teeth are super yellow or dark in general, so I don't know how much whitening I should really expect. So that's day 1. The instructions do say to try to avoid wine and coffee for the next 6 hours after treatment, which is gonna suck because I do love an afternoon coffee. Otherwise, it seems like I can eat and go on with my day as normal. I will check back in if I notice any extreme changes over the next hour or any sensitivity, but otherwise we'll see you tomorrow for day 2. I have a confession to make. I did have coffee within the 6-hour window after whitening my teeth. I'm human, okay? I can't be all I can be without my afternoon coffee. So it is what it is, and we're moving on. It's not gonna happen again. It's day 2, so oh well. Okay, so here are my final thoughts. Does this product work? Absolutely. I can tell that my teeth are significantly whiter than they were 6 days ago. Would I continue to buy this product? This is not something I normally do, but if I was interested in continuing to whiten my teeth every once in a while, then yes, I probably would repurchase this product, but I wouldn't continue to do 30-minute sessions with the LED light. I just really didn't enjoy having the device in my mouth for 30 minutes at a time, and anytime I did swallow a bit of the gel, my stomach did hurt a little bit afterwards, so I really didn't enjoy that, and I think if I continued to use this product, I'd lean more towards doing 10-minute sessions at a time, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. On their website, it does recommend to do 10 to 20-minute sessions, but then in the email they sent me, it says at least 5 minutes and up to 30 minutes. But then in the actual instructions that they included in the box, it says at least 15 minutes and a maximum of 25 minutes. So a little inconsistent, but overall I do think the product does what it promises. And I ended up paying about $40 after a coupon code, and that included this set of 6 treatments as well as 6 refills. So I could redo this whole process again in a few months if I want to whiten my teeth again. So I do think the value is good. Oh, and I did want to mention that at no point did I experience any like pain or sensitivity in my gums or teeth. So I was really happy about that. And the only side effects I would say I experienced are dry lips this week. And like I said, anytime I swallowed a little bit of the gel, it would kind of upset my stomach. But other than that, no real side effects. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Bye!